Did you know Singapore is one of the busiest ports in the world, handling over 37 million containers every year? That's more than 3 times the total container traffic of India's top 12 ports combined. But here's the curious part. Singapore is just a tiny city-state. So how is it such a giant in global shipping? Let's understand. Number 1. Geography. Singapore's strength begins with its location. It sits at the southern tip of the Malay Peninsula, right on the Strait of Malacca. This strait is one of the world's busiest shipping lanes, connecting the Indian Ocean to the South China Sea and onwards to the Pacific Ocean. Over 90,000 ships pass through Malacca every year, carrying oil from the Middle East, goods from India, and manufactured products like smartphones, automobiles from East Asia. For ships moving between Asia, Europe, and Africa, Singapore is the natural stopover point. Second, the hub and spoke model. Think of Singapore as an airport hub, like Dubai or Doha, but for ships. Not all ports in Asia are connected directly to Europe or America. Instead, smaller ships bring goods to Singapore, where containers are transferred to bigger vessels for long-haul routes. This system is called transshipment, and Singapore is one of the world's leaders in it. In fact, almost 80% of the containers handled in Singapore are transshipment cargo. Third, world-class infrastructure. Geography gives an advantage, but Singapore turned it into strength with cutting-edge port facilities. Its PSA International Port is fully automated with AI-driven cranes, driverless vehicles, and deep-water berths that can handle the largest ships in the world. The upcoming Tuas Mega Port will be the world's biggest fully automated port, capable of handling 65 million containers annually by 2040. 4. Stability and trust. Shipping companies also choose Singapore because of its political stability, strict rule of law, and efficiency. In a world where piracy, corruption, or delays plague some ports, Singapore offers speed, safety, and reliability. That's why even big economies like China and India still use Singapore as a neutral global hub. And lastly, strategic role in global trade. Singapore imports almost everything it consumes, from food to fuel, but its port makes it a global middleman. It re-exports oil, chemicals, electronics, and manufactured goods, earning billions without producing much itself. In fact, trade is 3 times Singapore's GDP, showing how central shipping is to its survival and success. So, despite its small size, Singapore leveraged its strategic location, world-class infrastructure, and reputation for efficiency to become one of the busiest ports in the world.